Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset. Let's start with the first method, which is the hard reset. This is the most effective option for most issues. First, make sure your headset is powered on. Then locate the quick switch button and the mode button on your headset. Press and hold both of these buttons at the same time. Keep holding them for about 10 seconds. After a few seconds, you will see the headset power off and then turn back on by itself. This restart means the reset was successful. Once it turns back on, your headset should be working normally again. If the first method does not work, or if your headset is frozen and not responding, you can try the second method, which is a power reset. This method is very simple. Just press and hold the power button on your headset. Keep holding it for about 10 seconds. This will force the headset to shut down. After it turns off, wait a few seconds, then press the power button again to turn it back on. This can help fix freezing or unresponsive behavior. There is also a third method called firmware recovery, which is useful if the headset still has issues after resetting. For this method, connect your headset to a PC or Mac using a USB cable. Then open the Turtle Beach Audio Hub app version 2 on your computer. Once the app detects your headset, go to the Device Manager section. Here, you will see an option called Recover or Restore. Click on this option and follow the on-screen steps. This process will restore the headset's firmware and can fix deeper software problems. Thanks for watching.